Artificial intelligence is already transforming jobs globally. In 2022 alone, over $158 billion was invested in AI to automate roles traditionally done by humans. From AI-generated codes dominating programming, to digital doctors revolutionizing healthcare, the future is now, and it's unfolding rapidly. Over 40% of the programming code on GitHub is now generated by AI, not human programmers. Google and Mayo Clinic have rolled out a digital medical doctor that surpasses average human doctors in medical exams. And in Hollywood, actors are facing off against their realistic AI clones, which are poised to take over their roles. AI isn't just on the horizon. It's here, transforming jobs you never thought possible. So, will you let AI dictate, or will you take charge? The time to decide is now.